And I hear people say, Real Warri Pikin just come from nowhere. Nobody just comes from nowhere. Success is not overnight. Nobody just drop like monkey come. You don't understand? If you go check where, you go know say the person there, that they trek, they come since. And the only thing one they see na the success story. People they look the success story, they forget where we take come. My boss na screen guard. Before this Real Warri Pikin, one they see here, now they travel abroad, they crack joke, they day international, everything. So not be today it starts. I just started since 2005. Even before that 2005, for church normally, I know say many people start from church, either na church choir or church dance. I don't dance for church, Living Faith Church, Warri Zakpa Road. From then I got to look and say, but this dance, I can't go the next level. 2005, when they do Big Brother, the first ever Nigeria Big Brother, I go for audition. That one way Ebuka go. I go audition finish, they not pick me. Maybe I not reach the qualification. It affects me well. After that one, I can go Glow Rock and Roll Nigeria. Glow do the competition. Different talent, you know. Me, I go there, dance. Thank God I win them. When I win them, I can look and say, be like say this dance thing, I go follow Ramo. 2010, I can go Montina Dance Hall audition for Benin. I audition for Benin. It could be, I could get 4th position. They could carry 1st, 2nd, 3rd, go the house. Me, I could go back to house. I cry, pay me well. But I don't give up. The next year, 2010, no, that one where I do that 2009. 2010, I could go again. Thank God I could qualify. I could go inside the house with my family, a Selemo family. I could carry 2nd. I could ginger, spread like virus, like say Scorpio back, my Peter they broke back. So this dance, but don't they pick. Now I go pick me audition. That one way, me and they win. They could still pursue me. Oh God, I could say now, wow, this dance thing. You know? From that pick me, now so I could go Mota Guinness street dance. I know still qualify because I go with dance crew. And that's how I can realize say I know they feel they perform well when it comes to crew. I be solo, freestyle. You know, after that Mota Guinness, I'm not gonna do anything dance again. I cause okay, I try movie. And all those times I see this school. That time I did BIU for Benin. I go Lagos, go do audition. They don't go pick me. They go say I'm too black. If you get one time, say everyone, they call them one film maker. They tell me say I found I'm more pressed now. If I turn, I may say now look, I say you want press me for film. Where we say last, if you not even give me speaking role, maybe waka pass where they go even end up commoting where they editor. You don't understand. So I went through all that. So to even when I call every day final year, as I graduate, as I go back to Lagos, go focus on this entertainment thing. But I don't know say God get plans for me. Now marriage I can focus on. After 9 months after I graduate, I come marry. As I marry finish, you know how they be now when you marry, you go the marriage now you need to balance put. So to go do the marriage and Abuja I come marry. So to go do the marriage and do the Lagos hustling, you not call favor me. I call even call carry belle. So I call look and say, ma drop the entertainment first, ma build this marriage. I call do the marriage 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. Now tell myself, say waiting now. I can't get work for civil service. That civil service where I don't like, I just did redundant because nobody they are supposed to do. I was always sad. To cut long story short, I call Semeka start to do the entertainment again. Now I start entertainment again. Now there we are today. You don't understand. So I not just drop like monkey. Don't take since 2005. You don't understand.
Wow.